Ferrari 512 TR diecast model kit from Maisto. Apparently this cost at 9 Singapore dollars, so it's not that affordable. But one thing that is to note about this car is that it can be taken apart. So this thing would have come with a Phillips screwdriver. As you can see, there are instructions to show you how to assemble it. So you would have had to assemble the rear axle, interior, front axle, dashboard, steering wheel, and that's about it, and the car will just go. Single-sided, unfortunately, so this technically could have been half the size. The cardboard is just vanilla cardboard inside. So, yeah. And then this is the packaging itself. Nothing great. Plastic base, Ferrari 512 TR, 139 scale, made in China.